How to delete YouTube account on TV. I'm going to tell you how to delete your YouTube account from a smart television. Now, just to be clear, if you're trying to remove your account from the YouTube app on your television, that's easy. But if you want to permanently delete your actual YouTube account, you'll need a phone or computer. TV apps don't support full account deletion. So let's start with removing the account from the television. Open the YouTube app, go to the left side menu, and scroll down to Accounts. Find the account you want to remove, select it, and choose Remove Account. That signs you out and clears it out from the television. Now, if you want to permanently delete your actual YouTube account, go to myaccount.google.com on a browser. Sign in, click on Data and Privacy, scroll down and choose Delete a Google service. From there, you can choose YouTube and follow the steps. But be warned, this deletes all your videos, playlists, comments, and history. So if you want to log out of your YouTube on your television, do it from the app. But for full deletion, use a browser.